Yeah.
What did you just finish? What? Do you have the blog?
That one's going to come up next now that he's done with What's a Blog.
Wait. What am I on now?
You're on Blogging with Class Blogmeister, which is why you're writing your first blog post, 7 Random Facts. So what came up as available now? You got one available.
You like
Go over here where it says available.
food?
So now you've got the Blogging with Class Blogmeister one. You can set up your blog. Here's a student typing his response into the class discussion forum. Some questions I post on the discussion forum to have kids respond to them when they can. And these kids are working on their study of volcanoes.
Well, for now,
They use their 3D GameLab account to find available quests, which is what we call assignments, and to find out what they have to do, and then they do it, and they go back to 3D GameLab to complete it and get feedback from me. So in order to finish the lab safety, it says there, to complete this quest, read through the lab safety guidelines with your teammates. Each person needs to ask a question about any guideline that is confusing. Write your question and the answer you got to submit this quest for XP. Copy the link. So go to View My Blog, and then click on the 7 Random Facts title. Now this is what you want to copy, that whole URL. So click up there.
Right here?
Yeah, and it'll select it all, and then do edit copy.
Where is it?
Edit's right next to file up at the top. Very top. No, not there. Go back to View My Blog. Then click on 7 Random Facts again. Then click on the URL again. Then go up. Yeah, that edit. And then do copy. Now go back to 3D GameLab. And then paste in there. You can go edit paste. And go ahead and submit. There. You got that one done.
Those two.
And the labels are correct.
Those two. And then
Yeah, very nice.
that
very
one
nice.
right there.
Alright, so where are your descriptions?
Your descriptions.
Yeah, you have to describe each volcano's shape and size and how it's formed. I recommend loading 3D GameLab on like Firefox or Safari, and then using Read Out Loud for when you have to read something, so it can read it to you, and use Write Out Loud when you have to write something. But just to see what the quest is and watch the videos, it'll probably work better in Firefox or Safari. And then since you're doing
I'm doing what is the blog at my house right now?
okay, so if you're gonna do is one of the shifter ones, like is failure necessary, then you just have to bring up co-writer so it can help you spell.
Okay.
Yeah, and that way you don't need Read Out Loud for that. Yes.
Still not.
So is this the background you want?
No, I'm trying to get this.
So you want that, just like that?
Yes.
Then you have to click Select Template too, so it'll select it. Okay, now go to View My Blog.
Mr. Gonzalez.
And there you go.
Okay, what about this shape right here?
You selected it, so that means you wanted it.
Yes.
You got it.
Like big arm. Like Caesar. Except for now it's crazy. It's slow. And so is that something that I was picturing?
Why are you recording people?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, right.
I'm reading a book. This is a story.
You're reading a story. Yeah,
That's right.
That's Louis and that's Niall.
No, don't. I have a picture. Looking
I have a picture of that guy.
No, it's like
that guy.
Rato Cone Volcano.
He is taking a picture. Yeah.
Whoa, you people are blinder than me. People are blinder than me. You make your text really big.
No, I just have it like that so it's easier.
Yeah.
So I keep track where I am.
Oh, okay. Hey, that's what's nice about it.
What paragraph you are and what sentence.
That's why those are nice, and you can't do that with a textbook.
Oh yeah, it's like magnifying glass.
Yeah. I don't know, magnifying glass is hard to see through. Yeah. Yes.
What does this mean?
So, you remember the class forum, the shifter? You're going to want to go to that, like, on a new tab. And we'll go to rm410.shifter.com. And then you need to log in.
Okay.
I bet everyone can guess what I'm listening to right now. Don't you think?
What is that?
Everyone can guess what I'm listening
Is that the mindset one?
Yeah.
to. Why do you people know me?
I have no idea what this.
You haven't set up your account? Oh, well, that was the first quest, was the shifter quest, to set up your account so you can have an account to do the other quests. So when you did the shifter quest, you were supposed to watch the video and do it so you could set up your account. So if you remember the video, you can go to apply, because yeah, you're going to need an account to participate in the forum. So choose your username, make it first name, last initial so we know who we're talking to, and then go to create and continue, and then do submit application. And I'm going to go approve. Click on period 5. And then which video did you just see? So click on Austin's Butterfly feedback. And then that's what you need to do. And when you read that and are ready to do it, go to add reply so you can add your own reply. And that's how you do those.